Hi everyone, it's Juilliard here and welcome to Artful Elements Studio. And do you like these? Or these? Or these? And do you find yourself casting more and more and more of them? And then they just kind of sit around or don't sit around, if you know what I mean? They just roll everywhere, unless you have stands for them. And there goes mine. Well, I had remembered a project that I had worked on. It was a heart, and it had in the kit, I'm going to show you this kit here. It's all these studs, different kinds of studs. And in there were these really cool curved ones. See that? Aren't those neat? Okay. Well, we're going to use those in our project. And they even have bigger ones like this that are much hardier material, okay? So I'm going to show you how I turned these, and I'm sure you have a round mold of some sort. Now I did cut the nub out inside of this one, but we're going to take this and these and this, and we're going to make this. And this is going to be this for that. No matter what size you have. And this is a heavy labradorite one. And look at that. So quick, so simple. And you can buy these in, if you want one particular style, you can order just one particular style. You don't have to get the whole kit. This is just something that I have in the studio. So, let's get started. Now, if you've got fusion film laying around, it would be cool to, create a disc, and then we're going to mount these on it so that if you wanted a larger one, you could do this, right? But what I have found is I really don't have to have a large disc if I don't want it. This small one works so perfect, and we have lots and lots and lots of these. And that's what I thought we'll do, is we'll make this, okay? Now, also can be a little table, and you can put one of those on, and it'd be a bigger table. I think you get the idea. It's really up to you how you want to stack it. No matter what, it's going to be a stand to help hold a sphere, or it would hold other objects as well. Okay, so we're just going to need our little mold. We're going to take some of our UV resin, just a little bit in the bottom, kind of roll it around. Alrighty, and then whatever mica powder, whatever color you want yours to be, I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of some of my glitter flake in it. You could easily cut one disc of fusion film and really get a cool effect for sure. I mean, there's gads to choose from in those colors as well. All right, let me just get that mixed in, like so. We'll add a little bit more. I don't want to go all the way to the top just yet, because we want it to level out. And there it is. We're going to go ahead and cure that. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and put some more resin on here. You don't need to go too much to the top, because want to make sure that when we put these in, it's going to raise the, you know, level of resin up. So now we'll just take these and place them around where we want them. Make sure the prongs are facing outward. And turn it around so you can kind of look to make sure that everything is where it's at. It does help to make sure you're working on a level surface because they will slide around if you don't. Okay, I think that's good. Now we're gonna take it and we'll hit it with the light. Once we cure this side, we're also gonna flip it and cure the other because we know that the UV resin went up into the hole, and we wanna make sure that that gets cured as well. And from this angle, it cannot. So we will flip it over. Okay, now we will take it out of the mold. There it is. And we will finish giving it a good cure. Now, if you want, you can always go and add some more resin into here, but I'm actually very pleased with that. And look how cute it looks. And there we have it. It's going to hold our little spheres, and it's going to hold our big ones. So that's it, that quick. Made a sphere holder for all the lovely spheres that you are making. Thanks for watching.